In this video I'm going to show you how to do Edexcel A-level maths from June 2022 question 14. My name is Sunil Tanna. I'm a tutor and author. I'm available for one-to-one tuition both online and in person. I live in Buckinghamshire, England. Please like and subscribe. Given that 2 sine of x minus 60 is equal to cos x minus 30, show that tan x is equal to 3 root 3. So when you look at these sine and cos formulas, you should immediately think of the addition angle formulas, which are, for example, sine of a plus or minus b is equal to sine a cos b plus or minus cos a sine b, and the one for cos would be cos of a plus or minus b I could use an identity here, is cos a cos b minus or plus the other way around sine a sine b. So here we can do this with sine x minus 60. So sine x minus 60 will be equal to sine x cos 60 plus, or minus, sorry, cos x sine 60. And we know that cos 60 is a half, so it will be a half sine x, and then we know that sine 60 is root 3 over 2, so minus root 3 over 2 cos x. And of course, if we were to multiply the whole thing by 2 and multiply this by 2 as well, which is what we're doing on the left-hand side here. So I could, I'll maybe write that on the next line. 2 sine x minus 60 is the same as sine x minus root 3 cos x. Now, I can also do a cos formula, for cos addition formula for the right-hand side here. So let's do this. Cos x minus 30 is the same as cos x cos 30 plus sine sine x sine 30. Yeah, that's right, using this formula here. So cos 30 we know is root 3 over 2. So this will be root 3 over 2 cos x, and sine 30 is a half, so plus a half sine x. So now what we can do is equate the two sides. So we know that this one, sine x minus root 3 cos x, is equal to root 3 over 2 cos x plus a half sine x. What we'll do is bring all the sine x terms to one side, so take away a half sine x. So from sine x will give us half sine x on the left hand side, and then add root 3 cos x will give us 1.5. We've got root 3 over 2 cos x, so half a root 3 times cos x, and a root 3 cos x. So we've got 1.5 times root 3 over root 3 cos x. So it looks like that, yeah? Now, if we multiply both sides by 2 and also divide by cos x, we're going to end up with sine x over cos x, which is the same as tan x, is equal to, I should have given myself a bit more room here, 3 root 3, which is the result we wanted. Okay, we're now ready to do the next part of the question. Hence or otherwise solve for 0 is less than or equal to theta, which is less than 180 degrees. 2 sine 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta plus sine 30, giving your answers to one decimal place. Okay, so what we need to realize here is that 2 theta is the equivalent of x minus 60. So for part B, 2 theta is x minus 60, which tells us that theta is x minus 60 over 2. Now we can use this formula, tan x equals 3 root 3, to find the values of x that would work for that. So you just do an inverse tan, and what we'll find is that x is equal to 79.107 degrees. That will get from your calculator, but of course tan repeats every 180 degrees, so if we add 180 to that, we would also get 259.107 degrees, and another 180 would be 439.107, and etc. Now all we need to do is see find the corresponding theta values and eliminate any that are out of range. So theta will equal 79.107 minus 60 over 2, or 259.107 minus 60 over 2, or the next one, which actually works out to be more than 180 degrees, so we don't need that 439. So the answers that work are these first two, and once you put them in and round to one decimal place, you get 9.6 degrees or 99.6 degrees. And that completes question 14.